Hey guys and gals, welcome back to another episode of Gearheadgirl Garage, where today we're going to show you how to remove the springs from the bobbins to make your floating rotors actually float. So you can see here, these are the XYZ big brake upgrade we did on the GTR with the floating rotors, but the rotors don't actually float, so a little modification is required to get that to happen, and today we're going to show you how to do that. The reasons to do this, you want to make them floaty for your race car. If you have a street car, you probably don't want to do this, as that will make them quite rattly. So we're going to do these one at a time. You got an 8 mil on this side and a 10 mil on this side, and we're just going to go ahead and undo the nut. Alright, so you can see your nut will come off, and then you can remove the spring tensioner. Once you've removed the spring tensioner, you can put the bolt back through and reinstall the nut. So once you've tightened everything down, keep track of which one you're working on, and you want to grab your torque wrench, set it at 17 Newton meters, and go ahead and torque that to spec. Alright, so you can get a little bottle of white out, and then just mark each one as you do it so you don't miss out. Alright, so you can see here we've removed all of our spring clips, and now our floating rotor should actually float.
Check us out online at Gearheadgirl69.com or GHG69.com, or follow us on Instagram at Gearheadgirl69.